Hello everybody, welcome back to the Bubble Daddy Soap YouTube channel. My name is Trevor, and today I'm doing a tub test for the Viva La Bubble Daddy bath bomb. I've got this one that it was sort of the first pancake, didn't come out of the press perfectly, but it's the same weight. These weigh roughly 8 ounces. So we're going to go ahead and pop one of these in the tub and see how they do. So these are just about, this is just about fizzed out. There's a little bit left that'll dissipate over the next few minutes, but you can see the water is sort of a peachy pink color. What you probably can't see through the camera is that there's actually glitter in there. It doesn't show up very well on camera, but it's in there. And if you wanted to, these take a good long time to fizz out, as you can see. But if you were so inclined, you could run a little more water and it will create a bubble bath. You could also put this in when the water is still running at the beginning and it will create a bubble bath. Anyway, this has been, if you like this video, please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment for more content just like it multiple times a week. If you want to get notifications when I post new videos, please be sure to hit the bell icon down below. I've been Trevor with the Bubble Daddy Soap YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys soon.